Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Hotwheels Monster Truck Series. In today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing the Milkmonster and Spongebob truck, which are 1/64th scale monster trucks manufactured by Hot Wheels, and these are premium giant wheels collector's edition monster trucks that are trending worldwide. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These premium Hot Wheels monster trucks come in the signature Hot Wheels blister packaging with all the product branding and information. And as you can see, these trucks are from the Giant Wheel series, so let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these little monsters free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, in today's Monster Truck episode, we are taking a look at the Milkmonster and Spongebob, which are themed monster trucks. And at first glance, these diecast monster trucks look quite premium and have an amazing build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing such as unique body kits, which comes with some stunning graphics and decals, some sturdy built chassis and roll cages, premium quality rims with bead locks that match up with the paint scheme, and also the massive rubber tires. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width, and weigh in at about 286 grams on average depending on the model. Well, these trucks come with crushable plastic cars that can be used if required, so let's go ahead and take a look at the exteriors of these little monsters. Well, what we are looking at now is the Milkmonster, which is a 2020 addition to the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Collection, and as we know, this truck body is taken from the Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery truck that was released in 2019. And finally, we get yet another variation of this truck, which looks quite stunning too, with its amazing milk and cookies paint scheme with matching graphics and decals, which looks awesome and badass. And I love the unique bodywork and the amazing decals on this truck, so let's go ahead and take a look. And moving on, we have the Spongebob SquarePants truck, which is from the Hot Wheels 2019 series, and by the looks of it, this looks like a truck that seems to be based on a popular cartoon character, Spongebob, which explains the name of the truck, which is self-explanatory. And this is quite simple yet a fun truck, and I love the unique bodywork and amazing theme graphics on this one, and I'm amazed with the amount of thoughts and details put into this truck, which makes it look simply amazing. Well, these variations really complement the theme, and I love these trucks as they are unique and a definite must-have for any diecast monster truck collector. So let's stay tuned and take a look. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm still awestruck with the amount of details, graphics and whatnot on these premium 1/64th scale monster trucks. I'm amazed and can't wait to unbox and review the remainder of the Giant Wheels trucks in this series, as this is just one of the 8 Hot Wheels monster truck episodes that I've got in store for you, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium monster truck episodes coming up. And with that being said, let's check out the wheel spin and the functionality of these premium monster trucks, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these trucks in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these little monsters. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast monster trucks on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A monster truck is a specialized truck with a heavy-duty suspension, 4-wheel steering and oversized tires constructed for competition and entertainment uses. Originally created by modifying stock pickup trucks and sports utility vehicles, they have evolved into purpose-built vehicles with tube-frame chassis and fiberglass bodies rather than metal. A competition monster truck is typically 12 feet tall and equipped with 66-inch off-road tires. Monster trucks were developed in the late 1970s and came into the public eye in the early 1980s as side acts at popular motocross, tractor pulling and mud bogging events where they were used in car crushing demonstrations. However, today they are usually the main attractions with motocross, mud bogging, ATV racing or demolition derbies as supportive events. And what you're looking at now are the premium collector's edition diecast monster truck replica models manufactured by Hot Wheels. And for further information on monster trucks, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels monster trucks that were featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links for them in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these premium Hot Wheels monster trucks is your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and I just wanted you to know that all this is possible only because of the encouragement and the support I get from you. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels Monster Truck episodes in the playlist below. Go big, go Hot Wheels! And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels Monster Trucks coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.